Alright, so today we have a little unboxing video of this ISR exhaust for a G37 sedan. We'll open action and see what she looks like. Oh, throwing stuff at you. Nice. 2 layers of cardboard. Nice. So this is the single GT that ISR offers. Nice, good quality welds. We love a good ISR freshie. Very thoughtful of them. A little tip protector on there, you know. Oh yeah. So this is what I run. This is what George runs. This is what everyone here runs. Zach runs this. Now Abu runs this. We're gonna get everyone running a single GT. And then there should be some stickers and some flanges in here. A little sticker action. Gaskets. I meant to say gaskets, not flanges. Sorry guys. Don't roast me. And that is it. Wait. Thank you.